Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at something seriously special, the 2026 Toyota Century. If you've never heard of the Century, just know this isn't your average Toyota. This is Japan's ultimate luxury car. Think of it as Toyota's answer to a Rolls-Royce or Bentley, but with its own uniquely Japanese vibe. And for 2026, Toyota has taken things to a whole new level. Starting with the exterior, the Century still keeps that dignified, understated design. It's not flashy, it's elegant. The new model has a slightly more sculpted look with sharper lines and a more upright front fascia. You've got that iconic grille, big, bold, but never overdone, and those quad LED headlights that are subtly detailed and completely hand-assembled. The car rides on 20-inch alloy wheels with a design that looks straight out of a high-end art gallery. And of course, it still has the signature Phoenix emblem up front, which is only found on the Century. No Toyota badge in sight. Now under the hood, things get even more interesting. The 2026 Century is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid setup. It's smooth, it's quiet, and it delivers a combined output of around 400 horsepower. This isn't about raw speed, it's about effortless, silky smooth acceleration. Toyota's goal here was to make the cabin so quiet you can hear a whisper in the back seat. And yes, mission accomplished. The ride is so soft and refined you almost feel like you're floating. It's built more like a limousine than a typical luxury sedan, and it shows in every detail. Now let's step inside, because the interior is where the Century really flexes its muscles. The cabin is a masterclass in craftsmanship. Everything you touch feels rich and thoughtfully made. Premium leather or traditional Japanese wool upholstery, real wood trim, hand-stitched details. Nothing feels mass-produced here. In the rear, you get two individual reclining seats with massage functions, built-in footrests, personal entertainment screens, and even a mini fridge. It's literally designed to be chauffeured in. Tech-wise, Toyota kept it clean and minimal. You get a digital instrument cluster, a central touchscreen for controls, and rear passengers have their own touch panel to adjust everything from seat position to climate. It's high-tech, but in a very calm, non-distracting way. Exactly what Century buyers want. As for pricing, yeah, this one's up there. The 2026 Toyota Century is expected to start around $170,000 and can easily push past $200,000 depending on customizations. And remember, this car isn't even mass-produced. It's built in limited numbers by a dedicated team in Japan. So what do you think of Toyota's most luxurious car? Is it the ultimate sleeper limo? Or would you pick something more traditional, like a Maybach or Bentley? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this first look, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.